Last points out in his lectures on Freud is that, there was this idea when they talked about psychoanalysis and mental health, there was an understanding for like that the thinking of Freud in them would be needed the more nations transition to a first world nation. As in, like, psychoanalytical existential problems were not things you really needed to worry about when you spent most of your time figuring out how to get clean water or food. But as a nation industrialized and improved, and therefore, had more time, the problem of leisure, as the great Johannes on Heidegger will talk about, and what do we do with our leisure, our free time in a productive way, as that problem emerges, which is inherently existential, then all of the problems of the mental health, figuring out what to do with it, come into existence. Now, as someone like an Eric Fromm will talk about, the moment we get increased freedom as human beings, because we tend to run from it. Because although we talk a lot about liking freedom, the problem with freedom is you're also responsible, and also you have to ask a lot of questions, become very intellectual and philosophical, and that's very, very difficult. And under those